Well, hello YouTubers. Here lately, if you've been watching the videos, I've been basically installing some network attached storage units. I've been testing and configuring a variety from Synology. I used the old Acer H340, used some old computers. But what I'm doing now is transferring a lot of the digital, basically DVDs and so forth, over and making them digital copies and storing them on my NAS. And I thought I'd show you this program called Handbrake here. Great thing about Handbrake is it's open source, so it's free, and it'll convert to your videos to pretty much any format. And so here's where you would download it here. It's available in Windows, Mac versions, and Linux. So again, in my earlier videos, I showed you how to restore an Acer H340 in Windows, Mac, Linux. I mean, we did various configurations, even installed Synology's DSM. Okay, so over here on this side is basically me preparing now to convert a DVD, which I've loaded into the optical drive. And I'm going to convert it now, and you can see you can select your format here. Its default is MP4, which is pretty universal, but there's MKV. I mean, you can do pretty much anything, any configuration. But you're going to open up your source, and it says drag your file, set of files, or folders here. So you could pull this directly off of a hard drive if you wanted to, but I'm going to use the DVD. You can see it's reading the DVD. And then basically it's going to pull it up, and you can set the location of where you want to save it down here on the lower level, and of course give it a name, whatever you want to name it, video or the title, whatever, and so forth. And then here you're going to basically just start the encode process. And as you encode, as it encodes that or converts it, basically it'll store that at whatever specified location you're at. And you can see in the top part some examples of some DVDs that I've converted, and I've named them. And I'm going to use VLC pretty much to open these, but right now I have them in generic. But anyway, it's a great application to use. Now, this does not break any copy protection. If you're wanting that, you're going to need to buy a commercial grade product or something. But this is basically for like a public domain or something that you have copies of that you want to make backups. And I have hundreds and hundreds of discs and so forth, and I'm pulling down all the videos off YouTube and storing them in my collection. So I needed to have a way to move all of those over from digital so they can be accessed from any variety of devices, both local and remote. And so this is a great program for using that. So anyway, it's Handbrake. And like I say, it's an open source, so if you're trying to do something similar, hopefully this will be helpful. Thanks for watching.